Hey everybody, Dave with Carefree Boat Sales. This is a used 2021 Accolade that we are brokering for a customer. It is super clean. There is nothing wrong with it. He's just having us broker it for him. This had the extra room in the back, so tons of space. Twin 350 motors. I mean, there's just so much room back here. You got your battery chargers, twin hookups. Super clean. Let me step over. These are in the short trailering mode, so it has longer legs so we can bring it up. So you get dual captain seats, speaker caddy, 12-pack can go in here. Full Yeti comes out of the ground. This is the bow filler cushion that you can put there anywhere you want. Again, the helms are always very nice. Little throw cushion we have there. All the seats are perfect. Of course, LEDs galore on this boat. There it is, a used 2021 Accolade 700 horsepower with joystick. David from Carefree Boat Sales. Thanks for watching.